How to play with friends on Dead Island 2. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you just a bit of a method for you to be able to play with your friends on Dead Island 2. So first is you won't be able to see this feature unless you execute or you activated the mission that's going to be called Call the Cavalry. Now once you fully activated mission Call the Cavalry, once you go outside the house, you will receive a pop out that says Slay Out Loud. Now pause the game once again and choose on online, and from there you should be able to change the game type into invite friends only or single player. If you hit on friends only, the game session will automatically be resetted. Pause the game once again, and then from there choose on social, so you will have access for the friends that you have online or currently playing on Dead Island 2. You can actually join them, or you can create your own lobby. And that's basically it. That's how you play with friends on Dead Island 2.